Yo, 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 this is Sol, also known as SPL Gum, also known as Spatial Gum, also known as Grunt, your hardest team skull Grunt, and this is Pokemon Masters. Guys, we did it. We did it, guys. Event 6-month celebration, 40 out of 40 missions completed. We kind of accidentally received or claimed some of the rewards earlier on, but major rewards, guys, like this. You have to play any area 100 times. You have to use texting pair like 70 times, blah blah blah. Pretty much straightforward, no confusing thing here. Let's just calculate how many gems we could actually receive in here. So 100 plus 200, 300 plus 100, 400 plus 300, 700 plus 100, 800 plus 200, 1000, 1300, 1400, 1700, 1800, 2100, 2200, 2500, guys, plus reward for completing all missions. You get 3000 gems in this 6-month celebration thing. Let's just claim all these first. Wow, we already have how many coins? Let's just claim all these. Wait, let's just talk to a trainer first. If this is even called talking. And let's just claim our daily missions, our daily rewards. 30 gems plus all these gems, guys. All these gems, all these items. Let's count how many. Nah, let's not do it. Let's just press claim all. And we get quite a lot of items, guys. We get several gym leader notes. We get several Elite Four notes. 3 plus 3, 6. Plus 3, 9. We get so many items. Thank you so much, Pokemon Masters. We get 3000 gems. All missions complete. Ooh, awesome. I'm just waiting now for the results of the Fan Art Festival because I'm pretty confident I'm in the top 8. Hopefully, guys, hopefully, my confidence isn't just nowhere and just worthless because I'm pretty confident in my entry. And there you have it. We got all the items. We will try and scout for red later on. I will probably not post it if I don't get red, but I already got red 2 times. So that's Sync level 2 out of 5. We don't have Cygnus Suit Elesa yet. We don't have Leaf yet. Hoping to get them really soon. That's it. That's all for this video. That's it. We claimed all the rewards for 6 months celebration. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.